Hi guys, it's Kimberly Day here again. So what I'm showing you today is how to put together the new velvet bed head from Kmart. So we'll see how it goes. It may be like an IKEA put together thing and we may end up divorced, but we'll see how we go. Okay, so first off you got to open your box, and inside your box you'll find two pieces for your bed head. Grab your two bed heads. You've got this one and this piece here, and you're looking for the one that has the Velcro. So you've got your Velcro here. Now with the Kmart bed head, it does come with instructions. I'm terrible at reading instructions because I can never figure it out. I'm better at just winging it. But anyway, Mark's going to help me today because winging it generally isn't the best option when you're supposed to be following the instructions. Okay, so once you've found the one with the Velcro, you need to put it on top of the other one because there's screw holes on this one here. There's screw holes here. So you then lift that up. So it comes with 10 screws all up and one Allen key. So what we're doing is we're using the largest screws with these washers on them. And we're coming in here and we line it up. And then we're going to screw them in. So if you want to make it easier, you can just come through and screw them a little bit on all of them and then come back with your Allen key. So with your Allen key, you're just going to come through the top of the screw and you're going to screw it in. So I'll be back in a second once I've got these 4 screws all screwed in. Okay, so here is where we're screwing the screws in. Well, it's actually Mark screwing the screws in, and it's a lot easier if you don't have the bed head standing up in the air like I had, but we couldn't film while doing it on the floor, so we thought we'll just move it down here now to make it easier. So now you've got your 4 screws in. We did find putting the last one in was very tricky, but we eventually got it 10 minutes later. So then you're going to come and seal this up with the Velcro. Then we've got to get the other 6 screws. We get our bed head. Now we're going to put its legs on. So these are its legs, and they have pre-drilled holes in them already. So we're going to grab the leg, put one of the washers onto the screw. These should hopefully fit straight in. Yep. We're going to just hold it there and you should be able to just screw it in. Okay, so what I forgot to say is with these legs you need to line them up to how high you want your bed, so how high you want the bed head. So obviously if you want it higher, you'll move it up more, or you can move it down depending on your bed. So you need to double check that. Just take your leg over to where your bed is and you'll be able to figure that out. Now I've got the 2 legs on. Now let's spin it around and hopefully we will have a bed head. Now for $79, this is an awesome bed head. It's a grey velvet colour. It feels super soft and it's actually really quite heavy. It's not super light. So I did have a bit of trouble getting it in the car because it was so heavy. So you may want to take someone strong with you when you buy them or get it delivered. So this is it here. It's super soft. It actually looks really well made, the front of it. Now don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. I hope that you didn't have any trouble putting it together. If you do, make sure you read the instructions, but I hope this helped a little bit. Thanks for watching guys, and I hope you all enjoy your new bed head. Thanks guys, bye!